Hello everyone, it's Jody here from Overland. Glad you guys have been liking and subscribing and watching the videos. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do making them. I got plenty more stuff to come. But today's purpose of talking to you guys is that we are to announce a giveaway with a partnership with Last Fit Lighting. Their lighting company, very good. They've been around for a while. They had a lot of LED bulbs that you could swap into your older cars that did not come with LED bulbs, or some of the lower trim cars that nowadays, like the Bronco, lower trims don't come with LED, so you can get those and put those in your vehicle. Give yourself better lighting. Things I've been using them for lately, as you all seen in my videos, I had 3-inch pod fog lights, and also I had the 30-inch light bar that was mounted on the front bumper of the Bronco. Very easy install, but the results are phenomenal. So let me tell you something about Last Fit. Last Fit is a small company, smaller company I should say, compared to some of the other big companies that build these products. But the quality is there. I mean, it's good. I've had these on for about 3 months now, and I can honestly say that they beat my expectations. There's those saying adage that says you get what you pay for, but in this case, it kind of defies that, because the Last Fit Lotto lightings are competitively priced to fit most people's budgets, and the quality is great. No water leakage. They shine really bright. If you're one of these people who just want to be able to say you paid the most for your lighting and snub your nose at other people, then they're probably not for you. But if you don't want to spend all your money on just lighting, if you're getting sliders, you're getting skid plates, that sort of stuff for your rig, you probably want to consider getting quality lighting at an affordable price. And that's where I think Last Fit fits in perfectly, definitely with Bronco owners and also 4Runner owners and many other cars. I've used their products on my 4Runner as well before, and I've used other brands that cost about twice as much, and to be honest with you, I don't think there's any improvement. If there is, it's very little. So just my 2 cents and my personal experience with them. I'm not obligated to say anything on this about them. They have been very generous and having us review these products for them. So I do thank them for that. But I'm gonna be honest with you, I truly do stand by what I say when I tell you that they are a hell of a bargain. So if you are in the market for fog lights, light bars, LED bulbs for your ride, I would highly recommend them. I do have a link that I'll put below in the description, and it's an affiliate link. So just to be, full disclosure, so to speak. As we look at these, please understand that these lights are very, very affordable and very much useful. I'd say probably 90% of all users would be satisfied with these lights. They're plenty bright, easy to use. So the giveaway we're going to do is going to be on Instagram. So if you have not already, please go to my Instagram account and follow us. There will be a pair of 3-inch pod lights with the wireless, or with the wire plug and play wire kit, about $150 value. So very excited to be able to offer this to you all, and also help gain some exposure for this fine company, American made. Can't beat that, right? Go America. So please check it out. Please enter. And as always, please like and subscribe. And if there's anything that you would like to see done that we hadn't already done, feel free to make a suggestion. Just keep your comments constructive, and we'll work with you as best we can. So wanted to let you guys know about this exciting opportunity, and I hope you guys will participate, and good luck to everyone, and wish you the best. Thank you so much.
So if many of you that follow me on Instagram, know that I begrudgingly had to remove the bar light from the bumper due to the winch plate install. I am holding on to that. I'm not selling it because I want to repurpose that at some point down the road. But just real quick on the giveaway, it will be on Instagram. The details will be on Instagram as of Monday the 25th. And the winner will be drawn the following Monday, May the 2nd. So please go to the link, and we'll probably link below, and we'll also provide links to the review installs of both the pod lights and the light bar from the channel here as well, for those of you that hadn't already seen them. And like I said, wish you everybody the best of luck. We really appreciate everybody's support and really appreciate everything that you all have done. Thank you.